So, I'm here in my race car. You can see the race car seat right there. And I'm here with my racing co-partner. You better stick your head in this video. Come here. Come here. You stick your head in here right now.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
We're at the gun range right now. It doesn't even show me flashing my eyes, but I'm blinking them right now. I swear, even though I'm looking that way and this way. But yeah, we're at the gun range. They said that I messed up when I bought my guns, and that I didn't check a box or circle a line or cross a dot, something like that. So we're here to fix that and maybe shoot some people. We're shooting anyone?
No.
We're not shooting anyone. I'm sorry. So we're just here to cross the T's and dot the